Are you ready to understand the remarkable process of vaginal birth? Every pregnancy is a unique journey. As the months pass, mothers may experience various discomforts and challenges. In the final weeks, the baby gains weight and positions themselves for birth. This position, known as cephalic presentation, occurs when the baby turns head down in the pelvis. This eases breathing for moms while increasing pressure on the bladder. It's crucial for vaginal delivery. As labor nears, the baby's lungs mature. They practice breathing movements, preparing for life outside the womb. Meanwhile, mothers often experience strong emotions, from excitement to anxiety. This nesting instinct drives them to prepare their home for the baby's arrival. Braxton Hicks contractions might be felt, preparing the womb for true labor. Unlike practice contractions, true labor contractions have a regular pattern, growing stronger over time. They signal the body to start dilating the cervix, allowing the baby to pass through. Water breaking may occur naturally, marking the beginning of labor. If not, healthcare providers can assist in this process. The relaxin hormone helps soften pelvic tissues, aiding in the birth process. Once the cervix is fully dilated, typically at 10 centimeters, the pushing phase begins. Mothers actively push during contractions, guiding the baby through the birth canal. The elastic vaginal tissues stretch significantly, allowing for this process. Sometimes, an episiotomy is performed to prevent severe tearing. This surgical cut is not routine but can facilitate birth when necessary. As the baby's head emerges, the shoulders align to ensure a smooth delivery. Following birth, the baby's body shifts to breathing air instead of relying on the placenta. The umbilical cord is clamped and cut, ensuring proper blood and nutrient transfer. Finally, contractions help deliver the placenta, concluding the process. Healthcare providers assess the baby's condition to ensure everything is perfect. Understanding vaginal birth empowers future parents. It's a natural process filled with challenges and joys. Share this knowledge and embrace the miracle of life. If you're expecting, remember to prepare and support each other in this beautiful journey.